Hello everyone, welcome to B10X Learning. In our earlier sessions, we have seen what is GPT, how to install GPT in our Google Sheets. Also, we have seen what is API, Application Programming Interface, and API key. And I hope you might have worked on and you might have enjoyed it. And today we are going to see some of the hands-on, like how GPT can help Google Sheets in executing our tasks. Okay, so let's enter into our tasks. And like before we enter into our actual task, I would request you to click on the link below given in the description so that it can take you to the workshop page. And after joining in the workshop, really you will come to know many information. Okay, because we are giving only a brief information in this demo. But after joining, you will come to know various topics, how AI is helping every people, and really you will be benefited. And you will come to know what is the other side of AI, because every task will be automated easily, and you need not to memorize anything, and you need not to be a great tech savvy to rock the IT world. Okay, so I would request you to enroll the below workshop. You will be benefited. Okay, so now let's into the actual task. Okay, guys, as I said earlier, if you want to go into this sheet, and if you want to execute our GPT on the sheets, better to go through incognito mode, because there should be only single account. Okay, if there are various multiple accounts, the API keys and the other add-ons may create issues to the other accounts, and your work may be hampered. It may not give you the desired result. Okay, so it may hang on because of the issue in one account. The other accounts also may get impacted in the future. So in order to avoid that, you can log in via single account, or better go with the incognito mode, because it will allow only for one account. Okay, so that is the advice I will again request you guys. Okay, so now it's everything is set on. Okay, because I have given GPT for sheets, so everything is ready because I have already installed, and my API key is also ready. Okay, so now it is getting buffered so that it will be in action. Okay, so it is loading. Okay, so now what we can see means, okay, so how to execute means, go to any of the cell. If you put GPT, if you type GPT, right, automatically you will get like this. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, GPT prompt value temperature and model. Okay, I will explain you each and everything in detail. Okay, so like they have already given you an example. Write a tagline for A1 0.8, and 0. Is the temperature, and this is the turbo, that means which is the model. Okay, so if you read below, it will give each and every information, like this is optional, and what is optional, and what is the temperature, because this temperature sets the creativity. Okay, the values will be between 0 and 1. Default is 0. So what we can do means, like we will ask, we will request like a welcome note. Okay, and it should not be a big paragraph, right? Let's ask a single line, just because we are doing demo purpose. In your free time, or once you access the sheet, you can work with differently. Now let's say like welcome note in a single line will give. Okay, so always give double quote, welcome note in a single line. Okay, so just to press enter, so you will get, that means it's loading, not to worry, because it is, so it is giving you welcome our humble abode, where warmth and hospitality await. I hope you are able to see. So welcome to our humble, that is the, it's giving its own suggestions. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, so never uh, don't miss to close the parenthesis, or in single quote, double quote, be careful. Okay, and so we can instead of writing this line we can give it in other way. Like, see, for example, I want to give what we can say. So let's go via health. Okay. Okay. We'll put effects of swimming to human body. Okay. This is the part. I'm going over here, GPT. Okay. So again, open, because all these things will be there. Okay. You can, all these prompts will come down. GPT, same. Okay. These are means you will get into the information. I am choosing this. Okay. D6. And if I press this, enter. So this will give some good information, like how the swimming can help the human body. We'll wait and watch. It may take some time. Let's wait. It's loading because it has to process, and I can close this. It can confuse you. Okay. So yeah, it is given. See, swimming has numerous positive effects on human body. Some of the key effects include cardiovascular health, muscle strength and tone, weight management, joint friendly exercise, flexibility and range of motion, respiratory health, mental well-being, improved coordination and balance, enhanced endurance and stamina, reduced risk of chronic disease. So okay, so just understand, guys. Okay, this all these information, the 10 bullet points or the 10 numerical points, all came in a single cell. Okay, why I'm telling means, in the later point of time we will see one more option. Okay, in there it won't come under the single cell. It will come in the, all the points will be in different cells. Okay. So now we have seen this part. Okay. And what we can do now next, like the same way I'm going here, different option we can put. I'm putting write the positive effects of swimming. Okay, I'm giving here with for I need for children, I can say for children, and for middle-aged people, and for senior citizens. Okay, so how we can choose this part? Okay, so GPT, same way I'm giving here, and okay, enter. Let's see, because I'm giving various options. Okay, because like how it will, how it, if it the values are in the next cells, how it is tracking. So for that purpose, I have given this. Let's wait and watch because it's loading. If there is an issue now, guys, there will be error. Okay, so that is the understanding. Okay, see, since the subject is same, okay, write the positive effects of swimming. One is for children, for middle-aged people, for senior citizens. See how it has given for positive effects of swimming for children. Okay, and it has given for like physical development, cardiovascular health, muscle development, weight management, social skills. And for the middle-aged people, like low impact exercise, stress relief, because for the kids there is no stress, maybe they are not undergoing, whereas middle-aged people, right, they may need to go for office, they may need to go other activities, so they are under stress, like traffic, dealing with the traffic, and other activities. Okay, like worrisome, those are the problems. So how this swimming is helping for middle-aged people and for senior citizens, right? Joint friendly exercise, improved cardiovascular health, enhanced muscle strength, and increased flexibility and range of motion, and see social engagement. Okay, for the middle-aged people it has not given, and for the kids also required, right? Because some kids may uh, adapt interpersonal skills, some kids may not. So That's what. So how this, understand guys, how this GPT is carefully observing and understanding the trend of the society, right? For the middle-aged people, they know, because definitely they need to mingle with the public, they need to mingle with the society. So the interpersonal skills will be strong, not like the way the senior citizens or the kids, they are confined to separate areas. So these are the things that ChatGPT is helping us. Okay, so this is one of the example, like how this GPT can help us. Okay, so this is one part, and like now next we'll go, for example, uh, this, like I can say, okay, we'll have a task, and like I want to, like modulation. Okay, modulation means like tone, tenor, like whether I want to shout, angry, sweet, like soft, and topic. Okay, so what we can do means, like we will write a, okay, college students, or like a principal is giving a caution, okay, that the students must follow the ethics. Okay, so how this GPT is helping to generate the mail. Okay, so I am writing, write a caution email for college, for college students. Okay, this modulation, let me keep angry. Okay, and the topic is like, as I said, what ethics, right? Okay, college ethics. Okay, so let's go over here. Same. Let's see, it's loading. Okay, we will wait and watch how it is generating. And you can keep the modulation in various way, like we can keep soft, and also I will tell you next maybe how to add the temperature, because that speaks a lot about how it is picking the uh, topic in a random way. Let's see. And so it has come. Okay, subject, urgent warning, unacceptable college ethics, take immediate action. Dear students, I hope this email finds you well, but I must express my deep disappointment and anger regarding the recent unethical behavior that has come to my attention. Okay, so overall it is giving some information. Okay, it will take, it is a long mail. Okay, so it will failure to comply with this expectations. Okay, so now I want to give, okay, note it this guys. Okay, you can work it out at home also in different. I am giving in a gentle. Okay, I am, I'll make soft or, okay. So you need not to drag, automatically it will change actually. So it is getting loaded. Let's see. Definitely the topic will be different. Let's see. Let's wait. So I hope this email finds you well. See, earlier it was a different tone, but we're settling into the new academic year with enthusiasm. See, there was no warning thing, right? Upholding college ethics and conduct. Earlier thing, it was giving a message like warning and some other information. It, by reading the first two lines, I could sense it is little hard tone. But over here, it was little soft. Okay, the academic integrity, respectful behavior. So in case if you have a school or if you have a college, if you are not aware how to set the ethics, you can ask this GPT. I need code of conduct for the school. Give me some rules and regulations how to enact the rules for the school. Definitely, it will give you. Okay, so it's making all our life easy. Okay, because no, I, if I will be need to write a my own email, I will not be thinking about academic integrity, respectful behavior. Like these are the keywords, right? Anyone, unless you are in this school field or in this academic field as an advisor or as a lawyer, you may not be able to understand all these classes, but GPT help us to get all these informations. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, and so now let's go with temperature. Okay, so as I said in this, just hold on, like GPT, when I press this, I entered this prompt, right? Prompt value temperature. Here it is giving, right? It is optional. Creativity, it gives, shows the creativity value between 0 and 1. Default is 0. So you can keep giving 0, 0.5. So what is the temperature? Okay. That means the temperature parameter will be set between 0 and 1, like 0 being the most predictable, and 1 being the most random. With a temperature of 0, the GPT will select the highest probable response each and every time. So, and when the temperature parameter set to 1, the randomness of the output is increased. Okay. So we will see with an example. Okay. So let's keep it like uh, uh, I will say like health tips for students. Health tips for TS. Okay. So I will give GPT. Okay. And as per the prompt, okay, see, I'm not giving, there is a prompt is there that we have already given D31. Okay. The next, there is a value. I will tell you where, when this value will come in different example. Okay. And the model is, there are two models, guy. Okay. One is the text Da Vinci and another is GPT 3.5 turbo. Okay. So mostly this or any GPT they will use with GPT 3.5 turbo. If we need to change, we can change it. Okay, so it is default. It will be using GPT 3.5. So now I am setting the temperature to 0.8. Okay, because it should be set between 0 to 1. Okay, and I am, let's see, health tip for students, which let's keep it in a short. Okay, next, because it should not give a long information, because otherwise it will be difficult to understand. Okay, so I will change it now. It has given nearly 10 points. Okay, maintain a balanced diet, eat a variety of fruits, vegetables. Okay, okay. Now instead of that, we will make it this way. Okay, I will, the point will be same. I'm here changing to health. Okay, because let me see, I need only 2 points. Like that I'm giving. It will be difficult to observe because how the temperature is getting changed. For that purpose, I'm doing it. Let's wait. So it has given only 2 health tips for students. It can be tempting for students to pull all nighters or sacrifice sleep in order to study or complete assignments. However, lack of adequate sleep can negatively impact both physical and mental health. So it has given its own information. Okay, and it also given a balanced diet. Now the same part. Okay, let's me give equal to PT. Same. Earlier I gave 0.88. Now I'm giving 0.3. Let's see how it is giving. So you will come to know what is the difference between the temperature, because as we have seen, it's a matter of randomness. Okay, it's the way how it picks. So based on the criticality, based on the priority, we can take. Okay, so prioritize sleep. Here it is maintain a balanced diet. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining good physical and mental health. As a student, it can be tempting to put all higher nighters for studying and socializing. However, a lack of sleep can be lead to decreased concentration, whereas he has given the aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. So there are some differences. Okay, so now you come to know, right, what is the temperature differences, because there are totally difference. Okay, it is crucial, it is given, it is essential. So now you come to know, right, what is the temperature. So based on that we can set it. We can get back to the people need, and based on the requirement we can set the temperature. So this is one of the example for temperature. And the same way I will give, for example, I'm giving here, okay, and I'm getting diabetes ts, okay. I will tell you for why I'm using that, okay. I'm giving gpt, okay. So I'll take this value, okay, and the next value I am taking here of diabetes. So now you know, okay, why I am using this. There is a value, right? This is for the, I am telling this example, okay, why this value, where this value, and how to set, okay. I have selected the diabetics, okay, and the temperature I am giving at 0.8. So now it will give information related to diabetes. That means the health tips. Let's see. So see, the health tips for students is the same subject. But what I have changed only for diabetes, I have made it as a diabetes. I want information based on diabetes. So imagine, guys, you are in a situation where you have set all the classes. Okay, you are working for as a dietitian or for as a doctor in one institution. Okay, and evening time as a part time, you are working in another institution where you are facing two different types of people as students. Okay, one school has issues with children XYZ. I just gave a diabetes as an example. Whereas in another school, you have some other challenges. Okay, ABC something. So you, the content is the same, right? But only the, what to say, the main uh, information is different. Okay, because based on the content, I need to change the information. So here I didn't change anything. Only I have added the diabetes part. So for that, it is giving easy way instead of making here two health tips for students facing diabetes or some other health complication. I have given a separate uh, cell so that it can take it. Okay, so that is this part. So I have given you the example of all the uh, values present in the syntax. Okay, so I have explained it. So the next part will be, now let's, for example, we'll go with like a list. Okay, this is another part of like, that's the thing called gpt list, gpt list. Okay, this is, so what we can ask, 5 advantages of drinking water. Okay, so 5 advantages of drinking water. Let's see how it's cutting. It is buffering. This is gpt fill. Okay, like that there are various prompts you can keep working. You will definitely, it will be benefited. Okay, now do you see the difference, guys? Earlier thing, see, in a single cell under the gpt it gave the 5 points. Okay, but see, in this gpt list, in each cell the 5 points are mentioned, so that it will be easy. Okay, for as a point of list, it has to be in separate cells. So one is hydration, then improved physical performance, weight management, detoxification, improved skin. So this is the example for list. So we can make a list over it. Okay, like you can ask, because whatever the information you are requesting, it will be given in terms of list. Okay, that is gpt list. And the next part is gpt fill. Okay, we will see. For that we will see one example. Okay, where it will fill the values automatically, like it is like a cleanup. Okay, see, for example, I'll keep capital letters and this is small letters. Okay, so, and we can keep India, and here I'm giving only India small letter. Okay, first is caps. Okay, and the second is like what, which country we can keep, China, and I have given only C. Okay, and the third part like Italy and Japan. Okay, I'm not going to fill these things. Okay, let's see how this chat GPT is filling these things. Okay, Japan, America. America, Tokyo, Sweden. What else countries, guy? Okay, we'll keep India and something. Mumbai, by Delhi. Okay, so I'll keep here. Okay, equal to GPT fill. Okay, I will keep it here. Okay, and then comma 0.8. Okay, let's see. See, guys, how automatically it was filled. Japan. See, India, it made it to India. It because I have given a few portions manually, and with this GPT, how it has done. See, like GPT fill. I have tracked this full part. First, this part I have tracked, and I have tracked this part. So how our lives are getting benefited, right? Imagine you can do the same thing. Okay, for example, emails where there will be greater than symbol and lesser than symbol in some of the situations. For that, those type of activities, for cleanup activities, you can use these things. Okay, so and I hope you enjoy this, guys. Okay, because really this GPT is helping every people. Okay, because in the future AI is going to rule the world. AI will not take your job. Okay, the person who knows learns, AI will take your job. So that's the uh, final part, guys. Okay, and if you find the tutorial helpful, okay, join our workshop at a minimal price from the link given in the description. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.